Today, we're discussing some important changes in the tax legislation of the Kyrgyz Republic regarding electronic invoices that can be beneficial for your business. Previously, many companies faced a problem. If they didn't have an electronic invoice, they couldn't deduct expenses when calculating profit tax. Amendments have been made to the tax code, allowing the use of other documents instead of an electronic invoice in certain cases. The changes apply to the following areas of activity. 1. Purchase of agricultural products. 2. Payment for banking services. 3. Transportation of passengers, baggage, and cargo. 4. Purchase of movable and immovable property. 5. Rent of land for telecom operator base stations. We'll start with the purchase of agricultural products. When purchasing agricultural products, you can use first an expense cash order for cash payment or a payment order for non-cash payment, and second, an invoice for agricultural products. When paying for banking services, you can use first a bank statement, and second, a receipt for cash payment or a payment order for non-cash payment. When paying for passenger, baggage, and cargo transportation services, you can use for passengers a printed electronic airline ticket and boarding pass, for baggage, a baggage receipt, and for cargo, an invoice. When making payments under a contract for the purchase of movable and immovable property, you can use first an expense cash order for cash payment, and second, a payment order for non-cash payment. When making payments under a land lease agreement for telecom operator base stations, you can use first an expense cash order for cash payment, and second, a payment order for non-cash payment. These provisions have been effective since April 1st, 2023, meaning they apply to previous periods as well. Please note, except for the specified cases, issuing an electronic invoice is mandatory in all other instances.